find a quadratic equation whose roots are 1.5 plus square root of 2 and 1.5 minus square root of 2, expressing it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So we can say that when the roots are 1.5 plus square root of 2 and 1.5 minus square root over 2, then this means that x is equal to 1.5 plus square root over 2 here, or x is equal to 1.5 minus square root over 2 here. From here we can form an equation. We can say that x minus 1.5 plus square root over 2 is equal to 0, and here x minus 1.5 minus square root over 2 is equal to 0. This means that we have brought this other side. When we take 1.5 plus square root of 2, this other side, it becomes negative. The same applies to this one here. So now you can say that x minus 1.5 minus square root over 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1.5 negative, and negative becomes positive, plus square root over 2 is equal to 0. This implies that x minus 1.5 minus square root over 2 here can be multiplied by x here minus 1.5 plus square root over 2 in order for us to get 0. So we can expand this equation. We can expand it. So we can say that we can distribute. We can say that x here into bracket x minus 1.5 plus square root over 2 here minus 1.5 here times x minus 1.5 plus square root of 2 here minus square root over 2 bracket x minus 1.5 plus square root over 2 here. So now we can expand this equation. This is giving us a 0 here. That is 0, giving us 0 here. So we can now expand this equation. You can say that x times x is x squared minus 1.5 x plus x square root over 2 minus 1.5 x here. Negative and negative is plus 1.5. Negative 1.5 times negative 1.5 is a positive 2.25. Negative times positive is a negative 1.5. 1.5 square root over 2 here. Negative 1.5 times positive square root of 2 is negative 1.5, and square root of 2 minus, can say minus x 2 minus x square root of 2 here plus negative and negative, it is plus 1.5 square root over 2, negative and positive is negative square root over 2 squared is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is giving us a x squared minus 1.5x here minus 1.5x here plus x square root over 2 here minus x square root over 2 here plus 2.25 here minus 1.5 square root over 2 here plus 1.5 square root of 2 here minus square root of 2 squared here is equal to 0, and this is giving us x squared minus 5x minus 1.5x minus 1.5x is giving us a 3x. X square root of 2 minus x square root of 2, positive x square root of 2 minus x square root of 2 cancel one another. And this is a plus 2.25 here, minus 1.5 square root of 2 plus minus 1.5 square root of 2 cancel one another. Square root of 2 squared is 2. So this is minus 2 is equal to 0. This is giving us x squared minus 3x plus 2.25 minus 2 is giving us plus 0.25 is equal to 0. We can write this as x squared minus 3x plus 25 over 100 is equal to 0. We can multiply all through by 100 in order to get rid of this 100 in the denominator. So this is 100 x squared minus 300 x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now we can divide by all through by 25. We divide by 25 here, we divide by 25 here, we divide by 25 here, and this is going to give us here, this is giving us 4x squared. 25 divided by 300 divided by 25 is 12. So this is giving us minus 12x. 25 divided by 25 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So our equation, we are being asked find a quadratic equation whose roots are 1.5 plus square root of 2 and 1.5 minus square root of 2, expressing it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So we have converted this one here into integers. So our required equation will be (4x squared minus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching.